This isn't just any old lake, it's a geological marvel. It was formed by a meteor strike in India's Lonar region thousands of years ago.
This impactor came in 70 to 90 meters across and it slammed into the Deccan Plateau, we call it, and created the crater. That was 570,000 years ago, approximately.
Lonar's historical significance is highlighted in ancient texts.
आपण जेव्हा मध्ययुगात येतो तेव्हा आपल्याला अकबराच्या आईने अकबर इथेही काही महत्त्वाच्या नोंदी मिळतात. त्याच्यामध्ये जो साबण आणि काच करण्यासाठी जो कच्चा माल आहे तो ह्या लोणार सरोवराच्या मिठातून मिळतो अशी नोंद आहे.
In June 2020, its water briefly turned pink as hot water caused salt levels to rise. Increased salinity helped organisms that produce pigmentation to flourish. Now, Maharashtra state government proposes this becomes a UNESCO World Heritage Site.